What empowerment is empowering? What rewards are rewarding at work? What difference makes a difference for you? Hi, I'm Jacqueline Louie, and I'm the founding CEO of Movimentum Leadership and working as an executive and life coach with an ICF credential and a fellow in people management or FPM. Movimentum Leadership's business model is strategic partnership. Hence, I am deeply honored that we partner with Haraya Coaching covering Visayas and Mindanao. I am the 2013 PMAP Davao Chapter President and currently the Council of Presidential Advisors or COPPER representative. I'm also the chapter lead or president of Philippine Society for Talent Development or PSTD Davao Chapter and takes leadership in the Chapter Leadership Committee of PSTD National. Indeed, volunteer leadership brings me joy. I am excited to co-create learning with you about what really brings you and your colleagues joy at work that results to empowerment after being rewarded for the works completed. And that makes a difference in your performance. I believe that my over a decade of my experiences in strategic leadership and business and culture transformation as part of the executive team, and at the time I collaboratively conceptualized, built, and operationalized a multifunction shared services company will be a good reference of our learning today. Let us learn about practical experiences on rewards management. What is this all about in our HR, OD, and culture transformation practices? Its basic elements as we deal with a multi-generation workplace today. I'm inviting you to join me with a joy in your heart.